Cheese always goes well with bread, and I'm going to show you how to do a different type of a cheese bread, camembert cheese bread. For this recipe I'm using 1 camembert, 20 grams butter, 7 grams instant dry yeast, salt 2 grams and 20 grams sugar, 200 milliliters water and 300 grams bread flour or plain flour. So let's start doing this. Into a mixing bowl add the bread flour. Into that add the salt, sugar and the yeast. Get the dough hook attached and mix. After add the butter. Then start adding water bit by bit. If you find the water is not enough, you can always add a bit more water and keep on kneading another 15 minutes. When the dough is ready, take it out and put it in a greased bowl. Leave it in a warm place to double in size. The dough for the camembert rolls are ready, and I'm going to put some flour onto the bench. Punch down. And knead the dough about a minute. After, cut the dough into equal parts. I'm going to cut this dough to 6 parts. After, take the dough balls, press down on the bench and make balls and leave it on the bench to rest 10 minutes. After, next cut the camembert into 6 parts. You can leave this white part if you like it, if not you can remove it. Now let's do the rest of the recipe. Add some flour onto the bench. Take a piece of bread dough. And press the cheese. Bring all together the ends. Press and put it on a tray to double in size. So brush the cheese rolls with a bit of milk. After, put a cross in the middle. You can use a sharp knife to do this. This goes to the preheated oven, 180 Celsius, about 20 to 30 minutes. So until you tap, it gives a hollow sound. The camembert rolls are ready, and this is how it looks like. And see the texture, it's really soft and moist. I took this about 30 minutes before. So if you open, it's nicely filled with cheese, and this is a really good quality bread that you can try at home. Hope you will enjoy this. Thank you for watching.